Yeah man, morning guys. Yeah, pack up on this and make a final check. You know what I mean? So today we are going to be shooting video at the famous Sweet River Westmoreland. So I'm going to take you along the journey, you know. Roast pork today. Some spicy sauce. Yeah man, so yeah man, respect. Thanks to everybody who has shown love on the channel. And I really appreciate it as usual. And man, like the video them guys, comment, subscribe, by first and see video them. And man, drop a comment. Huge, you know? Excuse me, sir. Pull over, license and registration.
Look, not that one.
Get out the way. Yes, people. Actually, soon reach a Sweet River now, so this is the welcome to first sign. Yes, man. Actually reach. Place kind of look bleak today. Yeah, morning. So, I don't know, always I try to get a good location where we can shoot the video them. So more than love we can shoot the video down on the bridge at Sweet River. But it's kind of hard because most of the time when we go down there, the amount of people down there where music a play, so you know how YouTube and copyright infringement come down. So it's not going to work out for me right there. But a whole heap of people down there right now, people did a cook same way. And things when we travel like about 10 minutes walk as far as we can find somewhere nice. So we just check out the atmosphere man, and check out so many places where the water runs from. As far as the guys can see, I just see a wetland with water, like just a spring of water. Cool and nice start. Explore a little bit before after the door and start season up the meat and set up the fire for it. Yeah man. Yeah, catch up the fire. You know, just popping up some wood. Catch up the front early out. One thing I always admire about coming to Sweet River and cook is how they maintain the place. The place is well kept clean guys, as far as you can see with the naked eye. I'm not even going to lie to you. Season up the pork and allow it to marinate. It's pretty early to so allow it to marinate for about 30 to 40 minutes. Add in some vinegar, wash out the pork. So I'm using some pork ribs And pork ribs to me is one of the better part of the pork to use to roast. Just squeeze off the excess water. Add them in another container here. It's a hard day for me today, guys, because as me talk time on time, like having a cooking channel and creating food content, it's a good thing, but the sad part about it, I don't really eat pork, so I have to find something different to eat today. Yes, so I'm gonna season the pork now. So me normally love to shred the ginger, and the reason being, you notice whenever time you shred the ginger, you get more flavor out of it. So you get the processing meat much more better. Instead of beat it or dice it up fine. I'll go through same with the onion. So I'm also gonna add a green Scotch bonnet pepper. Add some spice in it. It's a spicy roast pork. So I'm gonna add some fresh chopped thyme. Also some garlic, so I'm using 7 cloves of garlic. Adding in them. Stalk of scallion. Green scallion. I also like using the red scallion, but I tend to notice whenever time I go to the supermarket, I don't really see them in the supermarket selling. So I'm adding some cracked pimento seed. Spoon of pork season. Spoon of meat season. Also a little paprika. Add some all-purpose season, spoon of all-purpose season. Yes man, pork there today, eh? Add a little bit more. Rasta dog, I know say you're a Rasta, but I know say you love them and sitting here now. Get well soon, bro, so we can link up. I'm gonna rub in, eh? Once after finish rubbing the season, gonna leave for marinate, you know. So gonna add a little bit of soya sauce. That's it. So I'm gonna add some water in the pot. There's enough water to cover the pork because I don't really want it to boil. I'm just gonna actually steam it because if I try to roast it on the grill, it's gonna be too tough. So normally, and this is how me do it, I just steam it and get it a little bit tender. So I'm gonna add some herbs and spice into the water. Okay, so I'm gonna add the other half of the onion in the pot. Also going to use some cloves. Cloves tend to give it a nice flavor too. And also some bay leaves, dry bay leaves, stalk of scallion, piece of ginger, and I'm also gonna add some orange juice. The orange juice is a lot of flavor. It's gonna be adding to it. I'm just gonna add just a little bit all-purpose season, a little bit meat season. Add just a little pinch of pork season, a little pinch of pimento seed, about 4 or 5 of them. Don't want to overpower it with the pimento seed because the pimento seed is rich in flavor. So too much of it is gonna overpower in the meat. So the meat done marinate, I'm adding in them. Nothing goes to waste. I'm gonna add the chopped season. So I'm just leveling them just to ensure that all of them are covered. How could I forget the time, guys? How could I forget the time? Guys, the pork is smelling so good. I'm wondering if today is the day that I'm gonna actually eat pork. But it is really tender. So I'm not gonna overcook it because I'm gonna still have to put it on the grill to roast it. So I want it to still be firm whenever time I'm roasting it. So it's really soft. It's 15-20 minutes and it actually cook already. I'm actually taking out the coal from under the pot to use into the barbecue grill. What a great day. Amazing outdoor cooking with a boy Caribbean Vibes cooking. And today we are shooting video from Sweet River, Westmoreland. Yes, man. Take me to take out the pork them, no? So I am going to make the pot remain on the fire just to dry down a little bit more. So I'm going to use the stock of the pork to make the sauce, to make the base sauce. For the pork. currently adding the pork onto the grill. So the fire blazing, you just gently add little water to cool it down. You want to force the pork them or burn them. Just enough heat. Just to maintain the color. Roast them. Yes man. No say. Now check on the pork. Turn them. Now roast one carrot. Have with the pork. Yes, I see. Now that this stock dry down. Perfection to how I want it. So I'm just gonna add some more flavor to this to use it for the dip sauce for them. So I'm gonna add some honey, 1 spoon, and honey tend to give it a lot of amazing flavor. So we add some tomato ketchup. And some chopped green pepper. A little splash of the orange juice. I'm gonna add just a little bit more ketchup. Thicken the sauce a little bit more. Adding just a little bit of soy sauce. Yes man. A little bit of soy sauce do the trick, you know. I'm going to currently dip them into this sauce. Telling you the aroma, amazing. Maybe someday to come, you will see me eat pork on the channel, but not today. I've been thinking about it very, very hard. It's something that I want to eat. Now what I'm telling you, this pork, so tempting. So I'm gonna make this set of sauce dry on and then give it one more coating. Yes man. Checking back on the pork and just give it the second coating. Yes man. Looking real good. Just making it absorb a little bit more of the sauce because I don't want it to be too dry and trashy. Yes sir. Cameraman, big day today, you know? Get to enjoy all of the amazing food. Put one of roast carrot on the plate. Roast carrot nice. Yes, sir. The boss in front today, you know.
Yeah man, I love it. Can't be the taste. All the sauce, the honey at night. And it cooked just right.
Boy, you tempt me today, bro, but I pass that one.
Yeah. Work for it, man, 84. Never do.
Never do me nothing, but.
Work.
Man, me have for me little thing when me carry for eat today. A bun and cheese me I eat today, guys.
That's not real food, that's a dry goods.
Well, I hit me have to work with.
Alright, sir.
Yeah. Yes, man. With the bun and cheese, as promised. As I was explaining earlier on, having a food channel, it's an amazing thing to know, so you can create so many good content for people watch and enjoy. But I don't know if other person out there who create food content where cook something funny where them not eat. But me personally, I'm a huge seafood fans. That's what I love. I love seafood along with chicken, you know. But like the video, guys, comment and share the videos. Yes, man. It was a beautiful day today, guys. Just done pack up and I get ready. Head back home now. So I'm gonna edit up the video so you can get to watch it. The water dry up a lot. As me I got even shown you some of the stream them over and cross. I remember in last year, like the one of the stream we couldn't even cross it because the water was so forced. And comparing to now, like the water gone entirely. It's a great day, guys. Thanks for being a part of Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog family. Really appreciate the love, you know. Yeah, man, there, man. Yeah, man. Chawumps a bamboo, guys. Basically use it for your feeding trough for the doves them. So as we did explain earlier on, look how the place dry up. Stand up, stand up. I want all a different track mix.